Lesson 9. What actually happens on an exchange? When people look at exchanges, they often focus on price. But the price doesn't appear by itself. Price is the result of interactions between buyers and sellers. Every time someone wants to buy an asset and someone else wants to sell it, a trade can occur. The price at the moment reflects what those participants are willing to accept. This means price is influenced by expectations, demands, and market sentiment. If many people want to buy an asset, the price may rise. If fewer people want to buy, the price may fall. But this doesn't necessarily mean the underlying value of the asset has changed. Price and value are not the same thing. Price reflects what the market is willing to pay at a given moment. Value depends on what the asset actually represents or produces. Understanding this difference is important for anyone who wants to participate in financial system. In simple words, price reflects market expectations, not necessarily the real value of an asset. In the next lesson, we will explain what tokenization is and how rights and participation can be represented digitally.